Guys, you're not ready for that. We are finally sailing. Oh my gosh, it's the most beautiful day of my life.
Nice. The end of our first day sailing.
Woohoo!
This is the before and after shot, yeah?
There we go, yeah. Hi, I'm Izzy. I decided to change my life and become an apprentice sailor, with no fixed address and no fixed itinerary. I sail where the wind blows me and drop anchor to explore places that look interesting. I hope you enjoy the video and welcome aboard. Let's put the anchorage up. Just this little button here. Okay, Captain, we good!
I've waited patiently for you to come and turn out the light. There has been love, there has been loss, it's been one hell of a fight. I toss and turn, will you return? It keeps me up through the night. As days go by, feels like goodbye, there's nothing more to write. Don't say what you say to me when you're that way. Don't say what you say to me, just walk away. I've waited patiently for you to come and turn out the light. There has been love, there has been loss, it's been one hell of a fight.
Making a knot, Captain.
What sort of knot is it?
8 knot.
No, a bowline.
A bowline, sorry.
Bowline, yeah?
So it's the rabbit story.
The rabbit story, yeah?
So you do a loop, the rabbit go in the hole, around the tree, and back to the hole, and you have a beautiful
Beauty. Okay, so if
8 knot.
so nothing like 6 knots within 30 metres of a moored boat, eh? Huh? Alrighty. So if you do another one for the other sheet, that's the starboard jib sheet.
Yeah?
We'll do one for the port jib sheet, and then we'll tie on the jib halyard, and then we'll put the sails up, and then we'll go sailing.
Oh my god, Captain!
Yeah, you excited?
Finally!
Finally!
Finally! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited!
Yeah.
So excited! I put my outfit for it. Holiday time now, Captain.
Let's have a look, let's have a look.
Holiday like in my island.
Woohoo! That's it, and then you pull it tight. That's it, perfect. Look at that, bowline.
There we go.
The sheets are going to be replaced, Izzy. They're a little bit stiff and hard, yeah?
Okay.
Okay?
So we have 2 ropes now.
2 sheets.
2 sheets.
They're not called ropes, they're called sheets.
Sheets.
Because they
2
pull the
sheets.
sail on. Anything that pulls the sail on is called a sheet. Anything that pulls the sail up is called a halyard.
Halyard.
Halyard and sheet, yeah?
Halyard. So halyard is the black one.
Yeah, so halyard, we do the halyard next, and this halyard is gold.
Gold.
Okay, that's good. Through the pulley.
So this side, huh?
Doesn't matter, it swivels, yeah?
Not a problem, Captain.
You got yourself in knots. We'll call you Tangles, Izzy.
That's tangles.
We'll call you Tangles, yeah?
Perfect, I tangle a lot, eh?
Yes, you do a lot of
There we
A
go.
lot of mistakes, Izzy. Okay.
So tag, figure of 8.
That's it. Woo woo. Now, stop, that's enough, that's enough. Now tie it onto the sail, yeah? Tie it onto the head of the sail. There you go. Every time. Beautiful. Hey Izzy, guess what?
What?
We're ready to go sailing.
Alright, let's go, Captain.
Okay, hold it there. Stop. Righto, let's get the jib up, Izzy. And again, Izzy.
Where is the winch?
Righto, get rid of the wrinkles. Put around the winch and get rid of the wrinkles.
There we go. Wait, I'm gonna use the winch.
Yep. There it is, there. It's Izzy, Izzy. That side.
Wow.
Definitely that side. Anyway.
Huh?
Okay.
It's too high?
And I was just a boy sitting on these stones, thinking of things that I don't really know. But I don't want to slip into these collars, oh, just to live in the real world. And everybody here seems to sing their songs. I hope one day we can sing along. But I don't want to slip into these dollars, oh, just so I can buy some nice clothes. I'm on my way home, I'm on my way home, to a place I know, to a place I know. I'm on my way home, I'm on my way home, to a place I know, to a place I know. And working every day seems to take my soul. I hope one day I don't get too old, 'cause I don't want to flip in all these burgers, oh, just so I don't sleep in the cold. And sing about the waves and I sing about the sea, 'cause they've always been good to me. And I'm just gonna slip into the sun and go back to where I was grown. I'm on my way home, I'm on my way home, to a place that I know, to a place that I know. I'm on my way home, I'm on my way home, to a place that I know, to a place that I know. I'm on my way, I'm on my way home, oh, oh, oh. Na, 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 na. I'm on my way, I'm on my way home. Oh, they gave me a gun and they told me to run to a place I didn't really want to be. Oh, they gave me a gun and they told me to run. Little darling, won't go ahead, set me free.
That was exercise, Captain.
Yeah, we come out of a very narrow little channel, lots of turning. You're looking straight at the sun. Can you see me?
Yes.
Oh. And now we're on a wider channel. The wind's coming from the side, and we've got the jib up and we're putting along it. A couple of knots, doing quite nice. We'll just keep going this way until we see the sunset. Then we're going to drop the anchor wherever we end up.
Nice.
The end of our first day sailing.
Woohoo! And more is coming!
Yeah, it's very nice. You're going to become quite fit winching all those sails
Oh my
all the
gosh,
time.
it's exercise, Captain.
Yeah, it's good exercise, yeah?
Let's have a look now.
This is the before and after shot, yeah?
There we go, yeah. So Captain is gonna show us how to use the net.
Excuse me, yeah, we're going to show you how to use a cast net. And Izzy.
Captain, shh.
They're called soldier crabs. Watch out, they'll fight you. So what are you hunting there, Isabel?
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I loved editing it. I will see you next time for new adventure. Please don't forget to subscribe just there on the bottom, just here. Click, 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 click. And I will see you next time.